My name is Mike McFerrin. I am the sales manager for the Conveyor Components Division for Superior Industries. We're adding inventory, but the inventory is just an initial inventory. It's designed to provide a service to the customer base that we don't currently have, get out to the marketplace the inventory that we have, and then work with the customer base to fine tune that a little bit to the individual needs at the operating company level. Everybody, they say they sell service, right? But service is, you got to measure it. Service in our business turns into response time and lead time and technical capabilities. In the case of a lead time issue, you've got to have inventory, because if a plant goes down or something like that, they've got to be up and running as fast as possible. So zero lead time is basically shipping from stock. So it's important to our customer base to have it. They need it because they need to be up and running quickly, and they need to know who the go-to guys are.
Having something local for the customer that they can have within, snap of a finger, where they have it here, that is a big deal for our people. When you're talking about guys whose downtime is so extremely expensive, where they're not running and they're not producing, they're losing money, that's something that we have a true interest in helping improve.
The products are conveyor belt idlers, conveyor pulleys, and then accessories like belt cleaners, impact beds, slider beds, anything around the conveyor system, generally speaking.
ErieTec is the preferred partner who is going to have these things on the shelf ready for you at any time, really to help improve your system.
In addition to that, we also offer several services. ErieTec is a preferred partner with Superior Industries, so we'll offer things like site surveys. There's all kinds of different reasons to do it, but it could be customers trying to get ready for a maintenance shutdown, or they just got done through a season, it's getting into winter time. They want to walk all their conveyor systems so that they know what they have to do for inventory planning for the next year, or rebuild and repair work. Or it may be they're looking for an inventory optimization program. They want to try to make sure they have critical spares. So we'll offer the site survey program where we'll partner up our guys with the ErieTec guys. They'll walk down the conveyors, make a list of it.
Where ErieTec is so unique is that they don't only have local inventory and people to support it, they have services like a 24-hour emergency service where if you break down and you need half a dozen idlers that's keeping you from making money and producing rock, they have teams with guys with trucks to come and deliver it to your front door 24/7. So that's something very unique in our industry, because people talk about inventory being in stock. A lot of times in stock might mean in a warehouse in the next state over, or in stock at a warehouse that's a few hours from the plant. But actually getting that product to the site as soon as possible to keep everybody up and running and producing, that's a huge factor that ErieTec can come through.
One of the reasons we work with ErieTec actually is because their technical emphasis is above and beyond what other companies typically are going to do, and so that translates into service for the customer.